Guys, we're in I don't know where we are, but we're out by Silver Lake, Michigan. It's like 10:30. Just cruising around. Hey, Jordan. Yeah, this is about our whole weekend. Memorial Day weekend. This has been a very adventurous weekend. Oh, that was a bad old puddle. Say something. Yeah. Okay. We're amateurs at this. You should like go faster before I end up inside of you. Making a movie.
Right here's a good day. You know, it's a good trip. Have fun. Jake, what are your last words? Cool. I swear I'm gonna ruin everything. Trap.